How to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So if you want to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once, then let's first of all open up the Snapchat application, and then you can go for chats, which is on the bottom left, and here you will have all of your friends, right? So in Snapchat we don't have an option to simply unfriend all of the chats at once or all of the persons at once, but you can do that individually. You can simply hold on to that chat and then go for manage friendship and then go for remove friend and tap on remove, and that person has been removed from your friend list. So that's it, that's how you remove. You can do that with all of the other persons. So we don't have an option to simply unfriend all of that at once, but you can do that individually, and this is the process. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.